Hi, I'm Caroline from the Lowe's Trend team. Is your laundry room or mudroom a messy drop spot for clothes, shoes, kid stuff, and more? We'll give you tips and tricks to make your space neat and organized in no time. Let's take a look at a few ideas. Our first mudroom is light, airy, and full of great storage. Wall and base cabinets hide a myriad of cleaning and laundry supplies. Brick-tiled floors can withstand all the elements, mud, and dirt that get trekked in, and they're easy to clean after. A Dutch door keeps little ones and animals safely inside while providing fresh air. This pretty blue laundry room makes chores a little more enjoyable. Laundry items and baskets are neatly tucked away behind cabinets, while an upturned curtain rod is used to hang delicates. And it's the details that make the difference. These glass canisters replace plastic packaging to hold detergent pods and clothespins. Now it's time to make your mudroom work hard for you. Cubbies or storage lockers with hooks give each family member their own dedicated space to put their coats, bags, and shoes. Wicker baskets underneath can hide hats and gloves in the winter and pool toys and towels in summer months. In this blue mudroom, you'll never lose keys or the dog leash again with hooks at the front door. An umbrella stand is at the ready for rainy days. And last but not least, a built-in dog crate ensures that your pup has a stylish crash pad. If you're ready to make your laundry or mudroom dream a reality, you can find these storage solutions at Lowe's. Then show off your organized space at #LowesStyle.